Hey, welcome to the Creative Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to create instruction sheets for your PDF files using Canva. And listen, if you're selling digital products like me, this right here is a must. A clean instruction sheet makes sure your customers can download their files smoothly. No confusion, no frustration. All right, let's get into it. So right here, this is one of my instruction sheets. I'm going to open up the position panel so you can see exactly what I have set up inside. Now I'm going to duplicate this shape. It's just a square that I stretched across the page to create a clean layout. Next, let's grab a logo. Head over to your Elements tab, search for a circle frame, drag and drop it onto your canvas. Then drop your logo right inside. Boom! Now you've got a clean circular logo, and you're not limited to circles either. You can use a triangle, a square, whatever fits your brand. This is where your style comes in. Now these right here are my social media links. When I click on them, you'll see the link pop up in blue. That's how you know it's active. Now head back over to Elements and search for a YouTube subscribe button. You'll see a variety of options. Just pick one that fits your vibe. I'm going to grab this one right here. And now I'll grab the rest of the social media icons to match. Next, I'm going to duplicate the text I already have written. And this part right here is important. This is the first thing your customer sees, so you want it to be clear and welcoming. Something simple like, "Thank you for your purchase. I hope you enjoy it." If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Click below to access your files. Now, if you're wondering how to embed links into your icons, I've got another video that walks you through that, step by step. Check it out. I'll link it below. Now, one more thing I like to add. I include a mock-up screen on all of my instruction sheets with an image of the actual file placed inside. This just helps the customer clearly see what they purchased and reassures them they received the right file. And the best part, you can do this with any mock-up, so feel free to match it to your brand or theme. All right, now let's build the clickable instruction sheet. This is where your customer actually accesses their files. Now, whatever your theme is, that's what you want to go with. Today, I'm just doing a quick cooking theme, but you can add characters, icons, whatever gives your sheet a little personality. Now go ahead and add your title text, something like instructions, so your customer knows exactly what they're looking at. You can always add more detail, but for this demo, we're keeping it quick. Just make sure you clearly tell your customer that this is their instruction sheet and they need to click the button below to access their download. Now head back to Elements, search for a button. Pick a color that fits your design and drop it onto your page. If you only have one file, you can keep it simple with just one button. Now add your text. Type, click here, and place it right on top of your button. This is where you'll embed your link. And again, if you need help with that, check out my other video. And just like that, you've created your instruction sheet. Also, don't forget, Canva has pre-made templates you can use. Just head over to Templates and explore what works for you. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace and prosperity to all my crafty creators.